India's refurbished electronics market is surging this festive season with laptops, phones, tablets, hard disk drives, and cameras priced 30 to 50% lower, appealing to students and small businesses. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. India's internet users will cross 900 million in 2025, with rural areas driving growth. The rising AI adoption, e-waste concerns, and circular economy goals are boosting demand for affordable and sustainable refurbished devices. Leading platforms such as Amazon, Renewed, Cashify, and New Jessa are shaping the market by offering certified devices with 6 to 12-month warranties to build trust. During festive sales, sellers like Cashify and Control Z are competing through flash sales, bundled deals, and loyalty programs, with e-commerce giants projecting rupees 1.2 lakh crore in sales, up 27% year on year. Imports play a vital role, with shipments via Mumbai, Chennai, and Mundra ports keeping prices competitive. For laptops, $150, tablets, $50, monitors, $19, and HDDs, $10. Laptops dominate with a 74% market share. Some companies sell refurbished products with minimal changes under their brands, pushing them through closed channel partners and e-commerce portals. Building trust is vital. Certifications and warranties ensure long-term growth. VAR India advises buyers to verify authorized partners on official brand sites before purchasing. Let's look into today's headlines. Spotify cracks down on AI deepfakes and spam and removes 75 million fake tracks. Spotify has taken strong action against AI misuse and fraudulent music uploads by removing over 75 million spam tracks and rolling out new policies. The streaming giant has banned vocal deepfakes and unauthorized voice cloning, introduced stricter impersonation rules, and partnered with distributors to block fraudulent uploads. A new AI-driven music spam filter launching this autumn will reduce mass uploads, duplicates, and artificial short tracks. These measures aim to protect genuine artists, ensure fair royalties, and enhance user experience on the platform. The Reserve Bank of India makes two-factor authentication mandatory for all digital payments from April 2026. The Reserve Bank of India has mandated two-factor authentication for all digital transactions starting April 1st of 2026 to strengthen payment security in India's rapidly growing digital economy. The new framework requires all payment service providers and partners to comply, ensuring enhanced protection against fraud and cyber threats. By introducing an additional factor of authentication, RBI aims to create a safer, smoother, and more flexible digital payments ecosystem, boosting consumer trust and supporting the country's digital transformation. Perplexity launches Comet AI in India. Perplexity has launched its Comet AI browser in India, introducing a powerful AI-driven platform that functions as a thinking partner rather than just a browser. Exclusive to Perplexity Pro users, Comet AI can automate complete workflows from scheduling meetings to drafting emails and managing transactions. Built on Chromium, it supports Windows, Mac OS, and soon Android and iOS. With end-to-end encryption, local data storage, and Airtel-backed free access, Comet AI aims to redefine browsing in India's fast-growing AI and digital economy. Equinix introduces Fabric Intelligence and AI Solutions Lab to power global enterprise AI workloads. At its first AI summit, Equinix launched Fabric Intelligence, AI Solutions Lab, and a distributed AI infrastructure to support enterprise AI adoption worldwide. The new architecture addresses training, inference, and data sovereignty requirements while leveraging Equinix's 270 data centers across 77 markets. Fabric Intelligence, releasing in Q1 of 2026, integrates with AI orchestration tools to automate routing and workload deployment. The AI Solutions Lab, available in 20 facilities across 10 countries, enables enterprises to test AI solutions, reduce risks, and accelerate global deployment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches BSNL's Swadeshi 4G network. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated BSNL's indigenous 4G network developed entirely in India, marking a major step towards telecom's self-reliance. Along with the launch, he commissioned over 97,500 mobile towers across the country, built at a cost of Rs 37,000 crore. The network, developed by Tejas Network, C-Dot, and integrated by TCS, is 5G ready and places India among the few nations with its own 4G technology stack. The initiative also extends connectivity to 26,700 remote villages, reaching nearly 2 million new users. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.